A lot of times I think black bases work very, very well for metallic powders, for flaky powders, duochrome powders. However, because this glitter, even though it's very, very fine, you can see even on my glove, the pigment for the glitter is bigger than the size of the powder pigment. Therefore, there's a higher chance of actually seeing through to the base versus, you know, with these powders, they're so fine that it really covers every surface and nook and cranny of the base, so you don't see any black. However, because your sparkling palm glitter is slightly larger in pigment size, there's a higher chance of being able to see like a little bit of that base. So I recommend applying a green base. And again, after we applied our sticky base, this is ready to go. Voila, done. Don't you just love that? All you have to do is stamp it on and it's all good to go.